So I'm out in the winelands today, and being that it's late spring, there's definitely bud break and there's some good growth, and some of the varieties. I just saw a Chenin block now that's got flower formation already, and things are progressing quite nicely. Growers will typically not do drone flights at this time of year, but there's a lot of scouting that goes on. So I'm with one of our clients in Stellenbosch, and we were doing some scout training with the scouts. So checking on their devices and how they're working, and using the drone data from the previous season to visit these high stress areas in the block, and look at how that stress from the previous season actually affected the bud break and the growth of this season. And it's very interesting to see the correlations there. There's also a good check on things, pests that are prevalent at the moment and diseases that are starting to come up as we get as things get warmer and as ground covers grow a little bit. Here we've got some broad beans in this block, and we have wheat in the one next door. And so it's just nice to check on those ground covers. Where do things need to get cleared, cut down a little bit, just to get the airflow through here. We're looking for things like snails and all sorts of pests. We're looking for scylla and anything really of concern, where branches have broken, where in the wind or something like that. All sorts of things that we're scouting for, and that goes all the way back to the Aeroview platform, and it synchronizes there, and it's archived, and one can take a look at it later on, and also just to have it for reference. It's also nice to do an inspection like this to check on how the vines are progressing, and when would be a good time for those next set of drone flights. Do we need to move them forward a little bit or push them out a little bit, depending on the growth in the seasons how the season's unfolding. So that's another good reason to do a scout at this time of year. I'll be doing a couple more little short videos like this, just with insight into what I'm getting up to in field, and what crop types I'm looking at, and also what the farmers, farm managers, viticulturists, agriculturists, water experts, etc., what they're looking for in field at whatever time of year, and how they're doing that, utilizing our tools and our platform. And if you like these kind of videos, let me know. We'll post a couple more, and then also I'll leave a link in the description, the bio there, wherever you're watching this, to set up a meeting with me if you'd like to learn more. Doesn't matter where you are in the world, we can definitely assist you. And also you can take a look at our website to learn more. That's about it from me at Aerobotics, and have a sterling day.